YouTube, welcome to Galaxy Marble Floor Polishing YouTube channel. This is Titan 530 Hyper Grinder. This is my friend Abe from Bihar, India, and this one is power on off button, right side and left side, and this is speed controller, and this one is for lights, and this is emergency stop button. If we have any accident, you can push and the machine stop immediately. Now I want to show you his head, planetary head. uh, let's see how it is operating. Check the rotation. And other one side, left side. This one is LED light. If you working in night, you can on this. And the 7 HP motor, and voltage 440. Thanks for watching.